Hello and welcome to part 2 of the carbon Miata body kit install video. I am here with the car. It's been painted. It's all done. Let me show you guys.
There you have it. Look at that. And that is quite beautiful. So as you guys can remember, we had to cut her over fenders. We had to put some expanding foam on, so the two parts can meet. So the one part, two part, because we had to cut it because it wouldn't fit on the NC1. I didn't know that before I bought it, so that's why we had to do it. And I believe this is the first NC1 MK3 to have this body kit on, because it doesn't fit. So we had to kind of make it a custom kit, and I believe this is the only one, which is an NC1 with this body kit on. I'm very happy with the way it's come out. It is doable. You just need to have a bit of, be a bit brave. And with the MX-5, I have been very brave with the way we cut it, with the way we put things together, and I'm really happy with the way it's come out. And yeah, she's not clean yet, but she looks beautiful. I'm very happy with the process. I'm very happy to everyone who has subscribed and liked the previous video and in comments. I appreciate a lot of them. I'm trying to get quite a bit of subscribers and likes and comments going on the channel, so I do appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. And the next video that we're going to be working on is going to be camper kits. So we're going to be campering the rear a little bit more. As the fitment is now. So we want a bit more cambered in and a little bit lower. And the front, we're going to take it easy with how low we're going to go, because it is a molded kit. We want to be a bit cautious with how low we are in the front. We don't want to cause any damage to the over fenders, because that would be a catastrophe. So we need to camp the front, we lower it and go by like that. So slowly. And so yeah. That's the next video for you guys to stay tuned to. So again, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, dislike, comment. I appreciate all positive and also negative comments. I don't really mind about the negatives. And yeah, thanks a lot, guys.